Today we are reading Pete the Cat, Fish Are Fun. This is Book 6, focused on short vowel review from the Pete the Cat that includes 12 books in the I Can Read Phonics bundle featuring short and long vowel sounds. After the video, stay tuned for reading questions and fun educational activity ideas for no prep homeschool learning or classroom discussion and learning activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com for free printable learning resources and access to my printable and play-based, no prep, ready-to-go preschool curriculum bundles for zero planning all year long. Please like, share, and subscribe to Lauren Martin Books for more read-along stories with comprehension questions like this one. Now let's read Pete the Cat, Fish Are Fun. Pete the Cat goes to the pet shop. He wants a fun pet. Which pet will he get? Pete gets a fish. A fish will be fun. Fish food. Pete feeds his fish, but the fish just swims. That is all. Fish are not fun. Fish food. Pete thinks and thinks. He has an idea. Pete paints a picture of his fish. Pete gives it to his mom. She loves the picture. Maybe fish are fun. Yellow, orange, blue. Pete makes fish pictures for his pals. They are a hit. Fish are fun. Stay tuned for my next video, Pete the Cat Saves the Day, Book 7, Long A. Go back to the beginning of the video and read along with the words. With the help of an adult, write down all of the new words you learn. You can cut them and arrange them to have rhyming words or words that start with the same letter. Then go on an ABC scavenger hunt and write down one or more words for every letter of the alphabet. From apple and acorn to zigzag or zoom, since you can write nouns, which are people, place, things, animal, or plants. Adjectives, which are describing words like small, big, fuzzy, sharp, cold, hot. Or even verbs, which are action words like running, jumping, flying, floating, dripping, etc. You can find a free ABC scavenger hunt at my website, laurenmartinbooks.com, along with other free printable learning activities and activity ideas, and my no prep, ready to go, play-based or printable preschool curriculums for 180 days or even 365 days of learning activities. Visit laurenmartinbooks.com and please like, share, and subscribe for more read-along stories. Thank you for reading with me.